Welcome to our review of the Life Fitness F1 Smart Treadmill. The Life Fitness F1 Smart is a foldable treadmill designed to fit in small spaces in the home but stands out for its features, which are not typical for folding machines. Superior features include a sturdy, solid.
Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial.
Solid build, a wide incline range, and FlexDeck cushioning for joint protection. What stands out most is the wide variety of workout programs. The machine comes with 8 preloaded ones, but the wide variety comes from the fact that you can use the Connect website to create an unlimited number of workouts. You only need to transfer them to the treadmill via USB. Other notable features include energy-saving ability depending on the weight of the user and a child safety lock. What we like: the unlimited number of workout programs, FlexDeck cushioning, energy smart features, and child safety lock. However, what we don't like is the small running area. From the specifications table, we can see that the Life Fitness F1 treadmill is ideal for motivated workouts but has a small running area. Its maximum speed is lower than the majority of home treadmills. The running area is shorter than average, making it fine for walking but possibly too short for running, especially for taller users. The deck cushioning is provided by a patented technology called FlexDeck, which is said to reduce impact on joints by up to 30%. The general rule with workout programs on treadmills is the higher the number, the better. This way, you can enjoy a new program each time you work out without having to repeat any for weeks. Although the 8 listed programs might seem disappointing, Life Fitness has figured out a way to give you an unlimited number of workouts. It gives you access to the Connect website, where you can create workouts online and transfer them to the treadmill via USB. More and more manufacturers of fitness equipment are going green to some extent. The Life Fitness F1 model plays its part by reducing power draw when you take a break. Additionally, smart motor technology makes the treadmill exert less power when used by lighter users and more for heavier ones. This way, you only pay for as much power as you use. So, is the Life Fitness F1 Smart an ideal treadmill? Access to the Connect website makes this ideal for an unlimited variety of workouts. It is best suited for home users with limited space and those who need variety for motivation. Are there any alternatives? Consider the Bowflex Treadmill 10, Sol F85, or NordicTrack Commercial 1750. Thank you for watching. Let us know which other treadmill you would like us to review. Also, subscribe to the channel so you can catch fresh new review videos.